How to download all photos from Messenger at once. Want to save all those memorable photos from your Messenger chats in one go? While Messenger doesn't have a built-in feature to download all photos at once, there are a few tricks you can use to make the process easier. Let's dive in. Launch your Facebook. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Now at the top right corner, you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Once we're in the settings and privacy page, over here you will find the section of account center. Click on it. Now head over to the option of your information and permissions. Click on that option. Navigate to the option of download your information. Open it. Now click on the option of download or transfer information. Click on the option of specific types of information as you just want to download the photos. Now over here you're gonna find an option. Check in for the option of post in messages as messages will also include the photos. After you select it, you can click on next. Now check in for the option of download to device and then click on next. Now go ahead and customize these settings. First up, date range. You can set it to last week, month, 3 months and other options. Then select the notification. Then format and media quality. Once you customize all these settings, you can click on create files. Facebook will then start compiling your data, which can take a few minutes to a few hours depending on how much information you have. When the file is ready, you will receive a notification from Facebook. Go back to the same section and click download. Open the downloaded zip file, navigate to the messages folder and find all the photos saved from your Messenger conversations. And that's how you can download all photos from Messenger at once. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.